What's up guys, welcome back once again to do reviews. Today I've got another case review. This is one I purchased myself, but I like the look of it so much I went out and bought it. This is the InWin Chopin or Chopin, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, the Chopin Pro. So let's have a look. Right, so as mentioned in the beginning, this is the InWin Chopin Pro. This is the Pro version. As you say, comes with a 200 watt power supply, and this one they've used the same box, so some of the features will sound wrong, or you'll see them looking wrong. Specifications: mini ITX, made completely out of aluminium and SECC, whatever that is. Internal drive bay is 2.5 inch times 2, so you can put 2 SSDs in here. Obviously then your motherboard can have M.2s on it as well. Mini ITX form factor, power supply included. I/O ports, we've got USB 3x2 and HD audio on the front. And then the CPU heatsink size can be up to 43 from the die surface to the side panel, or up to 51 from the motherboard to the side panel. So there's quite a lot of coolers out there that will fit in here. Obviously do your research if you're looking at buying this. And then the dimensions are there as well, 244 by 84 by 217. So as you can tell, it's very small. So let's have a look. Now this is the case itself, and I reckon you'll agree with me, it's absolutely stunning. It looks so nice. I think they do it in another colour as well, maybe a lighter colour. Again, link in the description below for you to have a look. It's all nice brushed aluminium, like I say, it is solid aluminium on the sides. Feels premium quality all the way around. And you've got feet on this side as well, so if you want to, you can stand it up that way, or you can lie it down and use it as sort of maybe under your TV or something, which is probably what I'm going to use it for. So let's have a quick look. First of all, just pull these cables out. So you also get with this little piece here, you can actually change the colour of it. You get all these different colours here, so you can actually change the colour of it and put a different one in there if you want to match your theme. I'll probably just leave it as it is, but I might try a red one, I'm not sure yet. So in terms of I/O, as I mentioned from the box, you've got your power supply button, power button up here, two USB 3, sorry, and you've got a separate mic and audio input for that. The top is a mesh panel on top, which is where your CPU heatsink will sit directly below, and there's also mesh on the side here to basically let that air out, that hot air, because there isn't actually any space for fans on this. On the back, so you've got InWin logo, and you've got a little bit of ventilation here for your drives. I'll show you what that's like inside. Just one screw, so you just do that, and then you should be able to pull this off. Pull it backwards, and it comes off. That comes off in the panel. And then you've got two sleds here for your 2.5 inch SSDs. You can't put 3.5 inch SSDs in it, but you could technically put a laptop hard drive in if you wanted to. Don't know why you'd want to at all, but that's the back. There's not a lot to show you in there at all. Then to remove the top panel, it's the same again. There's just one screw here. Remove that, and then pull backwards. So your mesh panel comes off. It's just like a nice fine mesh on top there, so there should be plenty of airflow for this. And then, as I mentioned before, there is an included power supply, which your cables are here. It's this little tiny power supply down here, but it is 80 plus gold, a 200 watt power supply, so it is decent, going to be a decent power supply in there. And in terms of your connections, you get 24 pin, one SATA, and one 4-pin EPS. Obviously, there's no PCIe because you're not going to put a GPU in this. You literally just got that. So yeah, so you've got everything you need there, and then your I/O connections are here, your USBs and your audio, and your front panel audio, and then your USB as well. And basically that is where your motherboard will sit, just in there. Obviously there's hardly any room, it's barely bigger than an ITX board. And then round the back here, obviously your I/O shield will go there, and you've got your power supply there. So that is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're looking at this, I hope this gives you an idea of what you get with it, so you can have a good look. So like I say, the build will be coming soon. I'm going to do a really small build with a AMD APU, and we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.